The cloud above me is beautiful. And new day, new life, new ride. So today, 10th May, I am little early than what I did in last time. So today is 10th May. Right now, time is 5:20, a lot early, and this is my setup for today. I have turned on my internet and location. So right here, I will change this to ride and start the location. Okay, so time starting. Today plan is like I have to stay in main roads today since I am a bit early, so the jams will be less, traffic will be less, so I'll be enjoying the tarmac, smooth tarmac. Okay, let's start. Let's hit the main road soon. Okay, so my location right now is around Jodhpur Park. So on my last video I just done editing and noticed a few things which I need to change. First thing is the camera angle, which seems to be a little downward and nothing is visible when I'm going. So now I have changed the angle a bit upward. So now problem is you won't be seeing my handlebar, cycle handlebar. So that will be a little problem for POV view. So right now I am going straight towards the AM bypass connector. Then I will be taking the Bishwa Bangla Saroni towards Sonarpur. I just loved that southern bypass, Baripur bypass. So I just want to ride in that again. So I would like to hit the southern bypass by 6. Let's see if we can do that in 30 minutes. It's just hardly like 15 kilometers maybe. I am going to cross a railroad right now and straight you can see the sunrise, beautiful sunrise with clouds. And this is the line goes from Thakuria to Jadavpur. I am taking this road instead of main road because there's a flyover in the AM bypass connector for this railroad. So I don't want to waste energy on that. So I will just hit main road from here. And welcome to main road, the AM bypass connector. One thing I am missing is I need gloves very badly, because when I'm keeping my hands in these handlebars, it's just turning my skin into red. So I have on Bishwa Bangla Saroni right now. Time is 5:45 and I was about worried like if it is allowed to do cycling on this this type kind of highway only. So I could see this three-wheeler guys are going, means a cycler can also go. So I am here now at Baghajatin flyover. But thing is like I have to take this flyover, so it's going to drain some energy. Okay, just 3 more pillars. And below me is Shialda, Namkhana, Canning, Lokhikanthapur line, and you can see one local train passing by just below us, and whew, we have made it. There the New Goria station, and this side Baghajatin. Oh, let's take some rest here. So what I did is I taken my leg up in the rod in a cycle chassis. The pedals just kept on moving. So this place, this is a kind of evening place. People spend time here. So yeah, this place is quite famous. So now it's 6 and I have crossed Patuli as estimated, but not yet the southern bypass, because ahead of me there is a station, Khudira metro station. So after that Kolkata border ends, Sonarpur starts. So the roads will be getting narrowed down. So there I have to be careful, and it's feeling nice to leave the city traffic before 6. So now once I hit the bypass, it will be a smooth ride. And I have reached Kamalgachi, and thing is like there is another flyover which will take me directly to the southern bypass. But I'm thinking about it, if I can take it or not. Oh, here's one decathlon. And I could see some cyclists waiting there. Should I take? Should I not? Let's leave it. But there's one runner in a flyover. Oh, this is quite a bit like slow incline, so I think I will ignore it. And there's one cyclist just behind me taking the flyover. We will have this canal on my right through the entire bypass. Starting from here, this road is going to be one way, and the road on the other side of the canal will be for the vehicles coming from Baripur. And I think by not taking the flyover, I did a justice to my cycle as well. I don't want to put extra stress on this body too, because when I'm going up, that time the chain getting bad impacts, and when I'm going down, that time too the tires can hit anything, which I will not able to control. And with this, we are officially in the Baripur Southern Bypass. Yo! Oh man, this road is too smooth. I was just dragging a bit too much. So from now on, I can just do a very smooth, stress-free cycling. Time is right now 6:10. So that took me 40 minutes from my home. And also with that, I have kind of left the city boundary. You can notice more greenery from here on. Wind also changed. It's more cooler and carrying a smell, a beautiful soothing smell. And I found the reason why I am doing cycling. This is why. On my left, you can see a kind of dense forest patch. So this is Chintamonikar Bird Sanctuary. A sanctuary for birds, different types of. It's not any cage or something like zoo. It's open. So those birds naturally found their place here. And the ticket price is quite high, 120 per person. Oh, these beautiful trees are just treat to eyes. Just see them getting rattled in the wind. See, we are currently going through a cave right now. So now I have completed 1 hour of cycling without stopping, and as of yet I have made a good progress through Southern Bypass, but I am not sure how much it will go. Oh, see, I just saw a milestone. It says 3 km Baripur. So I'm still continuing without rest. Yeah, I can feel my mouth is little dehydrated. I have to take water. But I guess 3 kilometers, what say? Let's go. So once that ends, once we reach Baripur, this one-way road will be ending. I have to go to the other side of the canal. From there it will be two-way time. There will be a rail crossing as well. That's a Baripur Diamond Harbour road. I just want to get a good resting place, and you can see the sun is coming out, so I should not continue much without water. OMG! So I have came to that place. It's the end of two-way bypass. This is the Amtala Baripur road, and I will go beyond this. And the time right now, it's 6:40. So see, this canal is still following us, and I think this will be a good resting place. just that I am not seeing any gates. I have just passed the gate. So this entire area they have done this railing. Good. At least the canal will not be encroached. And I just saw some cyclists taking this road, group of 4. So in terms of, in respect to bicycle, they are just kind of flying ahead of me. I am nearing the rail gate, and I like to see some trains passing. Personally, I am Indian Railways fans as well. I can see the signal is red, but the gate is down or not? Oh yeah, it's down. So let's see some train passing. So this side is Baripur, this side is Kalyanpur, I guess. Oh, there's some name Kalyan something. I think I should stop here. We'll get a good view. I can hear the train whistle. They will be here soon, and let's by that time have some water, long awaited, because I haven't taken anything or rested anywhere for more than 1 hour now. Whoa man, it's kind of, the sound is coming from another side. Oh, so the whistle I'm hearing is from another line. From Baripur the line goes to Lakshmipur as well. So right now the train is coming from Diamond Harbour side, on this side. Down to us. So this train took a lot of time. Let's see my Strava app, how it's showing. So 25 kilometers I have ridden. Average speed showing us 20. Time is 1 hour 30 minutes. So let's continue. Goodbye. So I have got a good amount of rest, not good amount, just 5 minutes, thanks to the train. Now I can continue to the end of the bypass. And I think this is the end of Baripur bypass. So I have just made it on time. It's 6:55. So there's some more routes towards around the Kalyanpur station. 26 kilometers done. So the same route towards home will give me 50 kilometers. That will be achieved. Now if I check Google Maps, should I go beyond this, or so this, if I take this road, this will be taking me to the Canning, Baripur Canning road someday. It's 50 kilometers from here, just one way Canning. So definitely I will try that one day, but I'm just want to go more towards a village. See, there's another train line in front of me. This is coming from Lokkikantapur. I think I should call it off for today. So right now time is 7:05 a.m. and I am just taking a rest after a long ride. So from here I'll be going back, and where I am sitting right now is quite a soothing place. Here the sun rays is coming down, and this is a in Bengali we say as Baitok Khana, like people do gossips. And this is quite old. You can see the roof is a kind of broken. So beautiful. The sun is not giving that much heat. So as of now it's cool, and a cool wind is there as well. And I can see the canal which I picked up from the southern bypass. So I have finally completed it. Right now the kilometer shows us 26 kilometers. So if I take in the same route back, that will hit me 50. So good. So I will just wait here for another 10 minutes and I will just ride back. Maybe let's see if I can go back by 9 a.m. I don't feel to leave this canal. If I have to leave, then I will be going towards the Canning. That's where, through another river, the Matla river. So I will try that in this winter. Otherwise this place is awesome. Okay, so right now the time is 7:20. So let's go for home. Aslam Daru. So this is just a sitting place next to this road. So now let's hit the bypass, and I won't cover the whole thing because I already covered. Okay, so the time right now I started is 7:20. The kilometer which I have to cover is 25 kilometers. So 2 hours nearly. By 9 I should reach home. For now I am not facing any kind of stress in my leg. Within 15 minutes I have completed the one-way section, and right now this is the board milestone 9 kilometers. So last time it didn't took me 1 hour. Right now time is 7:40, so I should complete it within maybe 8:15 or something. So there's a lot of cloud right now in the sky that is helping the winds to stay, and sun keeping the hide and seek play on. So first let me tell you, this is safe because the road behind me is totally empty, and I just doing this because the cloud above me is beautiful, and this is how it looks. So I guess the wind is blowing towards me, which is why I'm getting a quite good boost, and there's this much greenery this side. So the time is right now 8:05. So I can say I have completed this 9-kilometer stretch by 25 minutes, and I'll be going through the Goria Golf Green route. Now this road towards left, on Google Maps I have seen like this road goes quite a little parallel to the main road. So let's try out today. Road condition is not good. I hope I won't regret. Yeah, it serves the purpose. See, it's totally empty. But with one compromise, this is the road condition. It's 8:25, and as you can see on my right, it's the New Goria Nuapara Airport metro line. The other side of the canal, there is main road that's connecting the Goria and Golf Green. But I am taking this smaller road with less traffic and beautiful road condition. And see, just by the side of Adiganga, which is almost dead, and on my other side of the canal I could see a market that causes quite a good jam, traffic jam. So definitely taking this road is good decision. And here I could see a metro station, which I guess is Netaji. No, it's Gitanjali. Oh, Netaji is on that near Itikhola road. So I am right now sitting in a similar bus stop, the same bus stop where I ended my last video as well. So my home is almost nearby, just 2-3 kilometers, 1-2 kilometers. So let's open this Strava app now. So the time right now is 8:50. So I made it before 9. As you can see, the distance showing is 51.91. So I have made it 50, and time showing is 2:42 with average of 19. My average reduced because of like I stopped in a market. Mom called like to do some marketing, you know. So I bought apple, and here is my bicycle. Today there is no objection to this guy. Beautiful, the student, beautiful. I just have to increase my seat height a little bit, that's all. So last week I did 61 kilometers. Today it's 52 kilometers, so it's almost same. The big difference is that today I took the main roads only, just because I started early. So if I start more early, that means I can cover more. So yeah, that's it. See you next week, and till then, goodbye. দেখা হবে অন্য সময় অন্য কোথাও. Goodbye.